The stock market, what you need to know. The stock market is a difficult concept for some to swallow, given the complexity and size. If you've been holding off on becoming an active participant in the stock market due to lack of knowledge or beginner's apprehension, then keep watching. The tips in this video will help you to make lots of money by investing in stocks. Keep in mind that investing should not be treated lightly. Banks treat stock market investing seriously, and so should you. Even though one may first think of the stock market as gambling, it is more serious than that. Take the time to understand thoroughly everything about the companies that you are investing. Do your research. Before buying any stocks, thoroughly research the company. Study its financial history and how the stocks have performed over the last 10 years. Earnings and sales should have increased by 10% over the prior year, and the company's debt should be less. If you have difficulty understanding the information, talk to a financial advisor or broker with a good track record in stock investing. If you have some spare money to invest, consider putting it into your employer-based pension plan. Many companies will match a percentage up to 100% of the contributions made by its employees, and this is basically the opportunity to receive free money. If you don't take advantage of this, it is tantamount to wasting quite a substantial opportunity. A great tip that most investors could use is to make a rule where you automatically sell off your stocks if they go down in value by about 8% of the original stock price. Lots of times stockholders are praying for a rebound that never comes, and they end up losing even more money. The knowledge you have just acquired can only be used to your benefit when you apply them and take risks. You will need to take a chance and try your best to invest your money wisely. The truth is, you're going to learn the most about how to be successful through experience, so the sooner you start, the sooner you should see success. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.